Alright, y'all, man. I'm Trey Bacon, your host of the Bacon Network, and I'm back today with a, a little unboxing to let y'all know what y'all supposed to do if you don't know, what you should know about how to handle them packages that come out in trucks that come from who know where. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna show you how to clean them, disinfect, and enjoy your product. Stay tuned. Well, first I'm gonna show what you need. You're gonna need your gloves or whatnot. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna strap them on outside, and we'll get to it. Go ahead and strap them on. You know what I'm saying? Real surgical like. Gotta make sure you pop them guys. Left hand first, cause I'm left-handed, and then right. So unorthodox, gotta ride me. I'm just Lil Wayne. You know what I'm saying? You get your package. Now what you go ahead and tear it open, really. Get your Lysol wipes. That's what I use. Real disinfectant, you know. Just throw the package on the ground. I'm going to go ahead and get 2 of these bad boys out. Onto the product, you know what I'm saying? You want to wipe it down thoroughly. The things you got to do in times like this. You know what I'm saying? Get the string real good. Every inch of that bag, you know what I'm saying? Get all that COVID off there, dude. Alright, now it's time to see, you know what I'm saying? See how what the boy got. You know, can't be doing none of this. These treacherous times. Getting that feet work right. I know you recognize what that is. I ain't gonna roll it out because it'll tangle up on the brother and that's too much. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and get them like that. Yes, sir. Get them straps. Wipe them down. Wipe them down. Wipe me down. Shoulders, straps, legs, buckles, whatever. I was trying to be creative there. What should you think? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Do you one of them? Make sure you get all them germs out there. You really good. Yeah, man. That's really all you have to do. You know what I'm saying? To disinfect your packaged product, whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? And that's really it. So yeah, signing off. Stay safe, stay blessed. Don't forget, like, comment, turn the bell on, man. It's the 4th video. Y'all know I'm gonna keep coming out with them. Go ahead and hit that bell, man. Tell your friends, uncles, aunties, your cousins, your side hoes, whatever. You're going to want to cuss in for the kids. Y'all stay blessed out here, stay safe, man. Keep exercising, you know what I'm saying? Wash your hands, tell your folks you love them, all that good stuff. Peace and love.